Okay guys, on March 20th, 2023, now this is my plant of Irish rose, or botanically it is called as the aeonium arboreum. So now you can see that this is a mature plant with a lot of stem, okay, that are protruding out with certain babies, okay. So on all sides we can see the baby plants. Okay, now one more thing, that this plant is also called as the tree aeonium. Usually it do not used to be propagated with the help of leaves because it's not good, or it do not used to grow from leaves. Okay, now we have cut down our first stem cutting and now we are removing its lower leaves. And why we are doing that? Because if the leaves will get in contact with the soil in which we will put it out, then they cause certain fungal rot. So best is to keep it clean from leaves. Okay, and now obviously it must be put in shade for about 3 to 4 days in order to heal up. Okay, and now this our second cutting. You can see there, now we are removing its leaves. Okay, now we have removed nearly all the bottom leaves. Okay, now this is our second cutting and this is our first cutting. Now you can see both of these cuttings, and usually when we will insert it in the media, usually the result is 100%. Okay, because they are succulent. So now, okay, on April 8, 2023 is the voice is dubbed after the video has been made. Okay, so you will not listen. Okay, and after a lot of days, okay, you can see that these cuttings are placed for healing for several days, although it is not good. You must need to place them in shade for about 3 to 4 days. Now we have taken our sandy media. This is a very good media. Why it is so? Because it has a lot of drainage capacity. Now you can see. And now this thing and this thing. Now we will insert them like this and this. Remove the air pockets. Okay, now again, okay, touch. If they used to be in touch with the media, the roots will develop and they usually all the succulent used to survive. So now we have to keep them for certain days, and after we will see the results. Okay, now on May 26, 2023, now these are the same cuttings, and a lot of days used to pass, a lot of days. Okay, now I have put 2 strips here of you can see, so that because there are a lot of plants in my collection and I have to, okay, now you can see the roots are not grown so much. If the time, although there's a lot of growth on stem side, a lot of leaves used to emerge out, but on the rooting side there is, I don't think that it is enough. Okay, or maybe its roots are not so much. Okay, by default they are not so much. Okay, so now you can see that we have we have propagated this tree aeonium from stem cuttings. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.